Alright guys, what's going on? We've got a 2-box break of precision football for Dan. Alright Dan, good luck. Here we go. 2 boxes. The brand new precision football just came out. 4 mini boxes per master box. Here we go. Pack number 1. Let's open these all up first. Pack number 2. Number 3. And number 4 for Dan. Alright. Here we go, Dan. Good luck, man. First card. Austin Collie. Len Dawson. Base. Aaron Rodgers base and a Daniel Thomas blue on-card auto. He's got some potential. Alright. Next pack for Dan. Jeremy Maclin, Larry Fitzgerald, Reggie Wayne, and a Blowout Powell auto jersey. Dan's been Powelled. There he is. Where were you hiding this whole time, Blowout? Alright. Here we go. Box number 3. Or pack number 3. LeGarrette Blount, Franco Harris, a Patrick Willis, and an Edmund Gates auto jumbo relic. 30 of 35. Edmund Gates, 30 of 35. Alright, and last pack of this box for Dan. Dan the man. Alright. Chris Johnson, Ray Rice, a Michael Turner, and a Taylor Price auto. 40 of 99. Taylor Price. Alright. That was box number 1. Let's hope for bigger and better things than box number 2 for you, Dan. Here we go. Alright. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Santana Moss, Mike Wallace, Matt Ryan base, and a James Starks auto. James Starks. Pack number 2. Noshawn Moreno, Dallas Clark, Beanie Wells, and a Shane Vereen auto jumbo relic. Not numbered. Alright. Mini box number 3. Doesn't want to come out. Got a Ryan Matthews, Josh Freeman, an MJD, and numbered to 50, so that's probably gold ink, Jamie Harper, gold ink auto. Jamie Harper. Alright, and last pack for this 2-box precision break for Dan. Alright, we got a Marcus Colston, Earl Campbell, Steven Jackson, and a Gerald Jernigan blue auto on card. Alright. Thanks a lot, Dan. I'll be sure to get this out for you tomorrow. Stay tuned for 2 more videos for you.